Elementary 2. My childhood memories. When I look back at my childhood, I feel very happy. I grew up in a small village near the mountains. Life was very simple but fun. I didn't have a smartphone or a computer, so I spent most of my time outside. Every summer, my cousins came to visit us. We played football in the green fields and climbed trees. My grandfather had a farm with many animals like cows, chickens, and sheep. I loved helping him feed the animals in the morning. Sometimes we went to the river to swim or catch fish. My grandmother made delicious bread and honey for us. In the evenings, we sat by the fire and listened to my grandfather's stories about the past. I miss those days because everything was so peaceful and natural. Childhood is the most beautiful part of life.